Peace. Healing through inspiration. I am nature. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. American pie. How y'all doing, man? It's so great. It's a big difference from how I was feeling literally not too long ago today. Pardon me. Than I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling so relaxed, calm, and peaceful. I'm really out here amongst nature. It's just kind of crazy. They want people to be all boxed up during quarantine and just tight, confined areas with people and just a bunch of energies. And not everybody got the best energies, and that can run off of you. That can rub off on you the wrong way. Kind of crazy, yeah. But I am glad that people are the people who really think for themselves, which it seems kind of slim. We're able to recognize that we got to get out of here. We got to get out of here, get out of these cities. Hey, we got to go into rural areas. We're supposed to be living in places like this. Well, y'all see places like this and whatnot. Woo! And you know what, too? Crazy. As I was sitting here, I'm standing now. As I was sitting here, I just got the inclination. And when I was sitting here, take off my shoes. Take off my shoes. Have my feet in the soil. Wow. Have my feet in the soil, yo. Hopefully I can see that. Can't see that. Hopefully I can see it. Have my feet in the soil. And then I was thinking it because I got like this, I think it's a rash, or maybe it's like an allergic reaction. I think it's an allergic reaction. I think maybe it's one of my pair of house shoes. I know I've been saying I gotta get new shoes, but it's kind of like with this quarantine, stores are closed and whatnot. Because I was thinking about ordering my shoes, but then when you order it, it's in quarantine. Even stuff is taking longer, Even with us, when we ship our stuff out, it's taking longer, to get there. So I'm like, frick, I might as well. That's the only thing that's been kind of like holding me back from get over here about shoes and stuff. So, but yeah, as I was saying, I was thinking like, I decided I put some dirt on where there's irritation at, and even on my feet too, even my toes. Figure that. You may say, why would I do that? And you know what this stuff feels like? It feels almost similar. I can describe it to as what are they called? They call it come here. I take your leash off. If you gonna roam, I can care less if you roam. Just let me take your leash off. Go ahead. What's up, bro? It's kind of like it feels like one of the apricot scrubs, the facial scrubs. That's what the soil naturally felt like. So you got these artificial products trying to imitate nature. And the soil felt so smooth. It does feel smooth. Very smooth, man. It feels so smooth. And it's so rich too. I'm out here in Michigan, Flint, Michigan to be exact. And the soil's still rich too. After, it had rain and whatnot, it's like still rich. So wow. Funny people knew. So and I'm just thinking like too, people when they talking about mud, and I think people try to act like it's dirt. It's dirty. I've said this before. Dirt is dirty. Dirt is the soil. people of the soil. Their skin is the color of the soil. Soul people, soil people, solar, soil people, soul people, people of the sun, solar, soul people. So you see where this is going? You see where this is going? You see this connection? And look, that soil, my skin is the same color as the soil. There's different kinds of soil, you dig? Rich is the soil, man. Rich is the soil. And you know about the mud, you know, people think that dirt is dirty. In actuality, dirt. If dirt was dirty, then why do people take mud baths? Why do people take mud baths if dirt was dirty? If dirt was dirty, why do people take mud baths? They're using mud, dirt in order to get clean. Dirt isn't dirty. Anything that's natural grows up from the dirt and is allowed to continue to grow from the dirt, via it being alkaline electric food that grows naturally in nature itself, and nature will let it continue to grow as such. Who the freak is that? Y'all seen that? Right. Did they not see us? Maybe they did, whatever. Anyways. Like I was saying. What the frick? That was weird as hell. Come on. Like I was saying. You know, why do people take mud baths? They're getting clean with dirt. Everything that's natural that simply grows on the ground, it's dirt. You know, it goes through the dirt. You know? It's the beginning process. You feel me? You either feel me or you don't. So that's why I put dirt on it. I put dirt on it. Put dirt on my skin. Let's see what it does. I think it's gonna heal. It feels soothing, you know, already. Like a scrub, you dig? And I think too, this would be like a great time to collect our dirt. Cause you know, we gotta get the dirt. We gotta get dirt and then put it in our plants, you know, put it in our little plastic containers. Look, because we used to drink, you know, we drink jugs of water and whatnot. We gotta, how you say, we got jugs in there, and we, you know, they're empty. Jugs of water and they're empty. What you do is, can put some, frickin', how you call it, put some dirt in there. But we gotta get our dirt. I was thinking about getting a shovel, but then I was just putting my hands through it. I don't want to do a lot of hand digging because there's a lot of, you know, we got a lot of seeds and whatnot. So I think I can find myself a shovel. Then I'm gonna go about it. I was trying to figure, is it seeding time, whatever, but I just don't want to make it too complicated. I kind of want to just execute, get things done, because we got enough seeds where I feel like we plant some and then like, oh, we got enough left over to do some research afterwards, because we, you know, of course we're not gonna be against research. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I had to do. Look at that bird. Step out in the nature. step out into nature, get some ideas, get some clarity. I'm so glad I got this clarity. I probably should have stepped out earlier, but my mind was going through a lot of stuff. Mine was going through a lot of stuff, you know. During this time. They had different tags. I don't know where the hell they must have went to a dead end. Thought they was getting somewhere. Don't tell me they tried to go somewhere else. I don't know, that's weird. But yeah, like I said, I wish I would have stepped outside earlier as far as when it comes to nature. Cause there's a lot of great things. A lot of great things going on. You feel me? Whoop! Whoop! Listen to the soundtrack, y'all. Look at that fog. I wasn't gonna touch it, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to see if y'all can see what I'm pointing at or whatnot. Hopefully y'all can. Definitely gotta make some changes, gotta get work done. I'm trying to, by today, I'm actually trying to get the domain attached to, what the frick you call it? The domain attached to our ClickFunnels. Because we just bought the coronavproof.com domain. Real happy about that. Smells so great. Like I'm really enjoying this moment. It's kind of like somebody would be crazy enough not to step out in quarantine. That dog over there got them hopping over. Hey, come here, nigga. Woof. Where your leash at? Oh, it's over here. Come here. Pen. But like I said, it's just kind of crazy to me that people realize they're scared. Come outside, my nigga. You know, if you putting fear into the mind, that already weakens your immune system. That already, come here. You're just having a blast. That already weakens your immune system. That already weakens your immune system, you know? You guys gotta step outside and get some fresh air, okay? Get some fresh air. Really, because you're not supposed to be boxed up inside, and then you're supposed to be wearing a mask. You're blocking out the oxygen, you're breathing in carbon dioxide. It's not healthy. It's not healthy at all, my G.